Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to convert any website page into PDF file using a Chrome extension. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, you can search for website to PDF, then press enter. Here you will see there are many converters. You can choose which you like I am choosing like this because it has 4.8 star rating. Then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click the puzzle icon, mark it as pin. Now open the website or web page you want to convert. Like I'm choosing this website. Here you will see the web page is in the process of loading. Now click on the extension icon. Here you will see it will be convert successfully. You can click on the downloads and then open the PDF. Got it. Here you will see the PDF file will be easily created successfully. It is as it is, like PDF. You can convert any website into PDF using this extension. Now it's time for this. Click on the extension icon and it will be instantly convert the web page into PDF. Here you will see the processing. It will convert it successfully. You will see just simply open the PDF. Here you will see so this is how you can easily convert any website to PDF using a Chrome extension. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.